Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add layer effects to GIMP 2.10. You will be able to add effects such as shadows, inner shadows, strokes, color overlays, gradient overlays, and so much more. There is a list here, as you can see. To get the plugin, you do need to go to my new forum. I know it's a bit annoying, but I do want to kick my forum off now. So if you haven't registered to my forum yet, please get involved and register, as you will be able to get a lot of help on the forum, and perhaps you might be able to help someone else out. Anyway, to start off with, first you need to click on this link here, where it says click here to download the plugin. You now need to go save file. And once the file has finished downloading, you need to go to this location here in File Explorer. If you did not install GIMP 2.10 in your C drive, then go to the drive where you did install GIMP. Once you have navigated to the GIMP folder, you should have something that looks like this. This is basically a load of script files. We now need to drag our downloaded file all the way into the folder, like that, and go continue. Once the file is in there, we can now open up GIMP. Once GIMP is open, you should now at the top here have something that says script FU, which is fantastic. It means the layer effects have been added successfully. I'm now going to create a new document by going to the top left hand corner of my screen and go new. And then I'm simply just going to leave the image size as that, and let's just change the colour of the background to white. There we go. Right, you now need to add a new layer before adding the image it is that you want to add the effects to. I'm now going to add a brush to my new layer, like that. And I'm just going to change the size of the brush so we can all see it. There we go. Right, I've now got my new brush on a new layer. I can now go up to Script FU and go to Layer Effects, and as you can see, I can now click on them all. To start off with, I'm going to add a shadow. You've got a lot of options here which you can change to add the shadow. We've got our noise, which is currently turned down, and our spread. I'm just going to bump these up a little bit. Let's go with 40, and let's change the noise to about 20. Unfortunately, it does not give you a preview. You do need to press OK to see what the effect does actually do, and if you don't like it, then you need to go Control and Z to undo the effect. Or in fact, you can actually go down to the layer here, you can right click and go delete layer, and there we go, that deleted the shadow. Let's select our layer again and add another effect. Let's try adding a stroke and see how well this looks. At the minute the size is on 1. I'm just going to bump this up to, let's go with about 10 and change the colour to red. There we go, and if we press OK now, it will add our stroke, and there we go. That looks fantastic. It really is cool. It's just like Photoshop when you add your layer effects. Let's now just hide that layer and click back onto our layer of our brush, and let's try a different effect. Let's go with a inner shadow. Let's see how well this works. Let's turn the choke up a little bit and the noise, and that should be okay. Actually, let's turn the size up a bit. There we go, to 92. And there we go, the inner glow has been added. It did actually take a while for that to add. I think I put the values up too high and it struggled to load them. Right, that's cool, that works absolutely fine. Now let's do a colour overlay. Make sure you do select the layer that you want to adjust or add the effects onto. You now need to go back up to Script and Layer Effects, and let's go with a, where is it? Colour overlay. There we go, it's at the top, and I want the colour to be, let's see, let's go with a nice blue colour. There we go. And if we hit OK, there we go. It's now blue. Look at that. Awesome. And you could actually select our other layer and we could just move that, and there we go. We still got our other layer. It does not actually add it to the layer, it adds the effects to a new layer, which is great. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.